trade futures traders this morning. Futures gapped up into the Obama State of the Union, hit that 1103, which was the initial breakdown from a week ago. So we were waiting for that 1103, hoping we might see it into the close yesterday, but we only got up to about that 1096 area, 1095, 1096. So that was it, and then they just kind of walked up into the speech, which is also typical. So we got a nice little run yesterday. As you can see, once we broke out over that 1092 that we were banging up against all day yesterday, and then we finally broke up against that the morning range, and once we broke above that 1092, we had 12 points higher. So again, do your math. 1091 plus 12 is 1103, and there was your projection. We hit that. We have since then been selling off. We've been as low as 1095. We bounced again to 1101s, and now are selling off again to this fib line right here at 1097, where we're trying to bounce again. So again, a lot of news happened yesterday. Today, now supposedly we have the vote once again on Bernanke. We'll see again if that comes to fruition, if they've got enough votes or not, one way or another, to get that done. So that is still going on, and we'll see if we can get that done. The bottom line here is we are still somewhat bearish. If you look on a 60-minute chart, we're definitely bearish. We've fallen from 1048 down to as low as 1079s. So we've gone down about 70 points. And if you bring up a 60-minute chart again, the big area, the key battleground is going to be soon will be in the 1115 to 1125 area. That was the breakdown area. And again, if you take a look at this chart on a 60-minute, you'll see this very clearly. Let me take off a few of these fibs now. But we are looking again to that 11. Hang on one second. Let me get these off the chart for you. Anyways, we are bouncing. The low in the last 60 days, the last 3 months, has been 1062 and change, and that was back in late November around the Thanksgiving holiday. And we are now looking at a market that is definitely broken, bearish, until we get back above a close of, say, 1127. So that area up in here, any rally that you should see really up to this area probably should be sold. And so again, we are back into bearish territory for the time being on the shorter term charts, and that's the way you should be looking at your trade setups. The pullbacks shouldn't be bought right now, rather the rallies should be sold. It's different than, again, a different market than we've been in over the last bit of time. So the context has changed a little bit, and again, this area up in here, I believe that that 1114 up to 1125 is a fantastic swing entry opportunity. So I would be looking for this gap to be filled somewhere in there, and again, that's 1115, 1114, 1125, and again, you're going to need a close over 1127, 1130 to have the bulls be back in charge. So again, it is a sell rallies. We're due for a rally for sure. We didn't test the bottom down here, but look for this area in here to put on some type of swing short position. ZN rallied, or rather fell last night into the Obama speech, and here's the area in the gray that I wanted to show real quick. So that's it. We'll be doing a free webinar again today through Hotcom. So Online Central, just Traders Online Central. Again, if you need a link, just let me know. Send me an email, and we'll be doing the final hour of trading today. We'll see if we get some action like we did last time. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But we look forward to seeing you there. Again, sign up for that if you haven't, and we'll see you at the webinar live trading today with me, Matt Davio, Mr. Ed. See ya.